In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create Twitter fleets, also known as Twitter stories. Okay, so this is a recent update that Twitter did, and if you don't see those little story circles at the top of your Twitter, go ahead and update your app to the latest version of Twitter. And now to add a Twitter fleet, all you need to do is tap on your little profile icon there at the top left, and it has a little plus icon. Tap on that. And here it says share a fleeting thought. Now at the bottom you can see you can add text, you can add photos from your gallery, you can add a capture, so you can allow access to your camera and share a fleet that way, or you could add a video. So for this example, I'll just do a text fleet and I'll write something here real quick. And I've written out something, and you can do various things with the text. You can see there's different options there at the bottom. The first one there is the align option, so you can align it however you want it. You can bold it by tapping the B. You can add a white border around it by tapping on that little circle, and then the last option is to change the color of the text. And once you're happy with your text, you can just tap on the done button. And now you can also change the background of your fleet by tapping on that little circle at the bottom left. That'll change the background. That one looks pretty good to me. And then when you're done, all you need to do is tap on the fleet button there at the top right. So tap on that. That is now posting, and that has been posted, so I can go back. And as you can see around my profile picture now, in the little circle, you can see a blue bar around my profile picture. That means I have a fleet uploaded, and I can tap on it and I can view my fleet. So that is how you create Twitter fleets. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.